What's up, y'all? August 17th, 2024. We're going to attempt to hike to a vehicle that's about, we think it's about a mile off road. It's 0.6 something, but in a straight line. It's not counting the ups and downs of the canyon hills. So it's probably about a mile, maybe more. It's probably going to be difficult. I think a lot of the terrain's burned from the fire that just burned out here in the Corona area. But we're going to attempt it. Just making sure everything's locked up in the van. We're going to be on our way. Guys, I put a GPS tracker in my van because parking out here, even though I have insurance, you just never know what's going to happen, you know. And even though you have full coverage, guys, what if something happens and the insurance doesn't cover it, you know? So that's why I put a GPS tracker in here. All it is an Apple AirTag. So I try to hide everything so there's nothing in view. Maybe I'll put the igloo over here. I'll put the igloo behind the driver's seat so you can't see it. And hopefully nobody will break the windows out because we're going to be gone for a long time. Probably an hour to 3 hours, I don't really know. Stay with me, guys. We'll be on the road here in a minute. Alright guys, we just filmed out here last weekend. And we're back, so guys, one thing that's going to save us today, it's overcast, so I think it's just like a marine layer. So it should really help us out. As you can see, a lot of this area is burned. Alright guys, I'm going to turn the camera off. We have a long hike, so I don't want to eat up too much of the battery, but we're going that way about a mile over all these hills. We're going to try to get over them. If I can just get on top of one of these hills, I think I could just walk the crest the whole way. Stay with me. Here's a strange find, and we just started this hike. What the heck? Guys, look at all this jewelry. Is this real? I mean, we just got here and we found something crazy. That's fake. Looks like someone tossed out a bunch of jewelry out here. Might have been stolen and someone just tossed it out here, you know. Look at that. What the heck's in here? Piece of glass. That's a Seiko watch. That's pretty cool. Guys, what are the odds of this, you know? Guys, this piece looks like gold. don't know, guys. We might have found a we might have found this is like finding a pirate treasure chest, you know. We just started this hike, guys. Maybe I'll go get a trash bag out of my truck and throw this all in there and we'll take it home. I don't know, this is crazy. We just started. I mean, look, the road's right there. Looks like it's burned. The backpack burned, and then I bet you what happened is someone drove by and threw it off the side thinking that it's probably stolen, you know. I don't know. I mean, this piece looks kind of like gold. I don't know. I'm pretty good with jewelry, but I'll put that piece over there. Guys, I'm taking this, man. Even though a lot of it looks fake. I'm gonna throw it in the trash bag and I'll throw it inside the truck and we'll look through it later. But this is just crazy. And then I'm looking right here and there's like 2 fire extinguishers. This is crazy. I really don't feel like going back, but I don't want to leave this stuff out here, guys. Someone might come and take it. Even though a lot of it looks fake, but look, you can see a lot of these watches burned. Look at that. A lot of this stuff burned right here. I mean, there might be something here. Maybe we'll find a couple dollars in gold or something. I don't know. I'll give it to my gold guy. He'll love digging through this stuff. Let me go back to the van. I'll grab a trash bag. Stay with me. Alright, guys. I'm gonna load it all up in this bag and throw it in the van. I turned the camera off so we save time, but you guys understand what's going on. Guys, I think this is one of my craziest finds yet, huh? This might be silver or something, I don't know. I honestly, guys, don't think a lot of it's gonna be gold, because I'm in the storage auction business and I know gold pretty good, and a lot of stuff looks fake, but we'll take it. Here's like a replica pocket watch. I don't know. My buddy will look through it. He'll have fun doing it. People like looking through jewelry. This is a weird story, though. They're probably like, what the hell? So you found this where? So, guys, I'm going to throw this in my van, and we'll continue on with this hike. All right, let's try this one more time. Guys, maybe I should just walk the road all the way down where it burned and discover crazy stuff, huh? I'm sure people have pulled over in the past and just thrown stuff over, you know? Probably guns, stolen backpacks full of jewelry. Whatever. I'll walk it for like half a mile, guys, and I'll shoot left because we need to go that way. 1 mile. Stay with me. Guys, so I talked about this in my last video. A lot of you probably don't understand. This was all weeds 4 or 5 feet high. You could not see this stuff. That's why that backpack was laying there for so long, and it burned. The area burned and it exposed it. So that's how I was able to see it. What is this? Something burned right here. Strange. Here's a refrigerator that burned. Man, look at this rock truck struggling to get up this hill right here. Guys, I think it takes a lot of heat to burn tires, because when I was out here last week, a lot of these tires didn't burn. Look how this tire didn't burn. I think it takes intense heat for a tire to catch. This plant went up like a, whew, this thing burned like crazy. All right, guys, I think it's actually better I'm hiking this way, because I think it's an easier access point right through here. It's so crazy how I stumbled across that backpack. I could actually be out here, guys, for hours looking around, but I just don't have the time. We have a marine layer on our side, guys, so I kind of want to get moving also. I didn't bring my straw hat. I left it in the truck. I just wore my regular hat, so I think that's enough searching for now. Let's get on this hike. All right, guys, so the story is there's two cars way out here. We think they're cars. We've seen them off Google. We didn't even fly a drone to them, so we're just going off a whim. I think they're cars. I don't know. I just don't know how far or how long it's going to take us to get over there. Oh, whoa, that was weird. There's like a little chipmunk that went running that way. Interesting. Here's a little kid's shoe. That's kind of strange. Guys, over the years, this area was full of stolen cars and everything else. This area is called Cadillac Hill. I guess it was really popular in the 70s and 80s. So stay with me. Guys, I always like to photograph bones when I find them. Some type of small game, I'm guessing. Here's part of a leg or arm bone. Let's keep rolling. Guys, I'm up in this canyon. Oh, wow. I didn't think these lizards were, wow. Guys, me film this with my iPhone. Oh, it just took off. I seen a chuckawalla, I think. I'm pretty sure it's a chuckawalla. Guys, in a rock like this is where snake hides, so I'm going that way. Guys, so I'm gonna show you roughly where I'm at. Look at this view. So like, all this is burned, look. This might have been like a little den of an animal or something. I don't know. Look, even the plants in there burned, a little hole. So we could find like a little nest area or something, I don't know. But this is getting steep as hell. I know that much. Maybe I'll just try to walk at an angle like that way. Guys, but if I didn't have this stick to prop me up, I couldn't do this, I don't think. Look, because look at this ridge. I'm bracing myself with this pole. Stay with me. Not sure if you guys can see that or not, but look how far we already got from the road. It's got to be like a quarter mile, half mile, I don't know. I'm gonna check my GPS when I get to the top of this hill, figure out what's going on. Guys, what's crazy is it still smells like this fire's burning out here. Some areas, it actually smells like the ground is still burning or something, I don't know. As you guys notice, now we're on a trail. You can see this is an animal trail of some sort that we're walking on. And I notice I'm seeing poop from an animal everywhere, large, so it's coyote, bobcat, not really sure. Guys, I have a bear spray. I was gonna start carrying it with me. And I had it in my hands 2 nights ago. And I looked everywhere, I couldn't find it, so I don't know what happened to it. I misplaced it somehow. Just in case like a mountain lion. Oh, coyote, guys, look. There's our wildlife. Hit. Guys, we made it to a road. This road might be for like the fire department or something. I really don't know. Does not look traveled at all. Like maybe a car a month or something. It's probably a road that leads to someone's property. Let me check my GPS, y'all. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we're still really far away. I'm really kicking myself for not bringing my straw hat. I just have a baseball hat on. That was a stupid move in my part. It was really overcast when I left, so I was thinking it's going to be overcast for the rest of the day. Guys, I just seen a coyote shoot down this way and then shoot up, but I think there's a little den right there. I could see it. If we get down in there, we'll go take a look at it. Alright guys, we hiked back down to the bottom of this little canyon and I seen a coyote run out of here. And I see a den over here, so let's go see if it's like an active den. Let's see if we can see some like paw prints or anything around it. Guys, I have bees all over me. They're chasing me. I don't know what's going on. Here's like a little den right here, but I'm not sure if it's big enough for a coyote. I thought I'd seen something bigger over here. Oh yeah, there is like some kind of den for an animal. Could be a badger, I don't know. There really is badgers around California, guys. I've seen a dead one time in Hemet. Nothing come out of here and kill me, whatever's in here. Yeah, guys, this is an active den right here. I don't know what's in there, but some kind of animal lives in there. Let's not disturb it too much. Let's get on our way. We'll go up this way. Stay with me, guys. Guys, look at this little screen I made out of this bandana. The sun came out and it's just cooking me. So I almost got to a point where I almost turned around right now. I was like, I have to have facial protection on my neck. And I was thinking, oh yeah, let me put this bandana on. It's really working really well. Sorry guys, sometimes I don't realize the camera's pointed towards the ground. It's mainly where I'm looking is the ground to look out for snakes. Man, look at this ugly little canyon down there. We gotta cross it somehow, because where we're going is still far away. I think if I keep hiking this way, it'll be more gradual to go across. I'm not sure though. Guys, if my GPS is correct, I don't need to cross. I need to stay where I'm at and go straight that way for a long ways. Stay with me. Whew. All right guys, we're still on a mission here. I know I could see right over there, that way. There's like some type of cement quarry, rock quarry over there. And it looks like it's in use. So let's stay away from that area. We might be trespassing. We'll keep continuing this way. Guys, I want to show you something really cool. I'm walking in acres and acres of burned area, and look what I see. New growth. Some plants have burned, or some seeds underneath have resprouted. Look at that. That's cool. And there's another one right here for acres, guys. Guys, and we're far from the road. We got a long walk back. But now, I kind of figured out an easier way, I believe. Stay with me. Guys, I don't know if I'm seeing things, but it appears this is a road. I hiked to the top of this mountain and I think this is an old road. But I could be wrong. I don't know. See like turns right here. I don't know, but our destination is still that way, so we still have a long ways to go. I'm gonna check my GPS and we'll tune back in. Guys, I don't see no wildlife anywhere. No lizards, no coyotes. I've only seen one coyote and a weird lizard in the beginning. But out here, all I see is bees. These bees are flying all over the ground. I think they have nests in the ground here. Guys, I spotted this tree from the road. There's a tree up there on that hill. I said I know it's not that far. Guys, I'm at the tree. When I go back to the car, I'll try to zoom in it with my iPhone to show you how far it is. Guys, here's the tree. Guys, how did this piece of hose get up here? That's what I want to know. Guys, this is what I think. I think in the 70s and 80s, just like the other side over there where those cars are, that's Cadillac Hill, where supposedly there was hundreds of cars crashed, dumped, stolen in a canyon over there. And I think this side was kind of the same way. They were dumping stolen cars out here. And before the city took over and started closing the entrance points, people were driving up here and dumping stolen cars because, guys, I think these are roads, old roads. Here's the tree I spotted from my car. It's funny, I can see my car from here. Let me just zoom in with my iPhone from here so I can show you. Hold on. All right, guys, here we go. This is what we have to look forward into to hike back, and we're not even to the location yet. And for those of you wondering, this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. That's the zoom, 15 times magnification. And here's where we started from. That's why I buy iPhones, guys. I love iPhone. This isn't a paid advertisement or nothing, guys, but I've been using iPhones my whole life, and look at that. My van's still there, hallelujah. All right, guys, let's keep rolling. Guys, they really do say the best thing you'll see when you go hiking is your vehicle on the way home. When you're hiking out, when you see your vehicle, you smile because you just want to sit your butt down that seat and rest. These inclines are killing me out here. I won't be hiking this way, I'll tell you that much, on the way out. Guys, we made it to the top. Oh my God. The highest point of this mountain range. And we're on top of it. I think we're still a while, probably about 5 or 10 minutes away, guys. Stay with me. Guys, looks like people would come up here and drink this old Coors can. Yeah, people used to drive up here before the state got involved, or the city closed the roads. All right, guys, I spotted it. I looked at my GPS and it said you're going off track. Remember, we're just looking at that beer can up there? I think people used to drive to the top because that was the highest point of this area. And they would party over here, and somebody pushed some vehicles down, and we're gonna go see what is down here. This stuff is not burned though, so we're gonna find an easy way down. Stay with me. I see at least one vehicle, but I see something strange over there, like maybe a car hood or something. So let's go check out the car hood first, because it looks like it's easy to get to, and then we'll backtrack to this vehicle. All right, guys, all this stuff has been found today from my friend, Desert Adventures. He spends the time and goes on Google and other map sites and zooms in and just hunts for cars that are crashed off mountains. So, guys, this video wouldn't be alive today if it wasn't for him. So, shout out to Desert Adventures. I'll put a link in my description. Go subscribe to him. He's really good with a drone, and he's really good at searching for items that are lost. So, shout out to him. Wow, guys, it looks like we're coming up to private property, it appears. I see a fence. And we're on some kind of game trail, so you can see it right here. Some of this is burned and some has. Some of it has and some of it has not. So, guys, I cannot believe we haven't seen no burned up snakes or anything out here. It's just mind-blowing. Okay, it's some type of car hood or trunk. That thing's huge. Wow. That thing is massive, guys. Look at that thing. Holy cow. That is a hood to a truck. But this isn't what we came for. There's a vehicle over there. I want to go find out what that is. If these bees will leave me alone. Guys, I want to flip this over, see what's under here. See if it's painted or there might be a snake or something. I don't see no snake. I say something old Chevy Ford Dodge. What do you guys think? I don't know, but check it out. There's barbed fence here. We can't go any farther. Thank God, because there's a car right over here. Get away from me. These bees are chasing me down. There's some barbed wire here, guys. It's some type of private property out here. Let's hike this way. Stay with me, guys. I'm going to turn the camera off until we get to the vehicle. Aha, guys, check. Check it out. Get off me, bee. Fly, whatever you are. No trespassing, no jumping, no shooting, no motorized vehicles. Violators will be prosecuted. Riverside County Habitat Conservation Agency, Stevens Kangaroo Rat Ecological Reserve. So there's those kangaroo rats out here, I guess, in this area. I've seen some of those before, hiking out in different areas. But we're not trespassing, we're on the other side of the fence. All right, guys, so we're hiking backwards now up to it. And guys, it's weird. In the image from Google, it appears there's two vehicles here. But I think there's only one, and it's just really stretched out looking. What the hell is this thing? It might be a motorhome. It's extremely long, I know that. Dual headlights in the front. For those of you sitting at home, please chime in. Oh crap, beehive, guys, dang it. We got a beehive. Oh, there's a bee chasing me, that's what's going on. Oh God, there's two beehives in it. There's one in the front and there's one in the rear. Guys, I'm gonna use my, I'm gonna start filming with my iPhone so I could film from far. Stay with me. Guys, these bees will not leave me alone. The minute I turn the GoPro off. One chased me away. There's like 2 or 3. I think it's because I'm wearing all orange. But guys, I only wear this orange stuff for safety in case I get lost out here or something, you know? But it looks like a film from here. Guys, there's a bee nest in the front wheel area, and then there's a bee nest in the back of the bed. A big one. There's things, those bees are swarming like crazy over there. So I'm not gonna approach this truck. This happens all the time. Guys, I'm surprised the fire didn't burn it. Look, it burned all the way up to it. And it didn't burn the truck because it's metal, but look, even burned all this. Here comes a helicopter. I think that does like observation for the police department or something. I'm not really sure. Guys, let's try to walk a circle around this vehicle. Man, this thing's annihilated. Still got the engine in it though. I hiked all the way out here for this, guys. Just let that sink in for a minute. Guys, if there was just one beehive, I would approach this truck from a different angle so the bees just didn't see me. But I can't approach this vehicle. Oh guys, it's a Toyota. Look, bingo. See the A at the end of the tailgate? It's a Toyota. There's the front area. Looks like a two-wheel drive truck. I don't see a spline, a CV axle going inside the hub area. It still has the engine in it. That's crazy. It's probably, I don't know. You just never know what happened. We'll never know, guys. But guys, I hiked all the way out here. Let me show you guys the beehive. So like I just showed you, there's one here. But if you zoom in back in here, there's another one. All right, guys, I'm gonna take some photos. We made it, guys. Crazy, crazy video, guys. I had a good time. We found a backpack full of jewelry. It's probably stolen, I don't know. Most of it looked like junk jewelry. I've seen one ring that might have been gold, I'm not really sure. But this thing really helped me out. All right, folks, we made it all the way out here. It was a long hike. I'm going to try to hike out a different way, actually. That was kind of brutal. So hopefully it works out for us. Before we leave, I'm going to throw the drone in the air and trying to see roughly where the truck came from, but I believe it came from that top of that hill where we're seeing those beer cans in between those rocks. Stay with me, guys. Let's put the drone in the air.